In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OTP login in Flutterflow and Supabase. By the end, you'll have email-based one-time passcode authentication ready in Supabase, which you can then use inside your Flutterflow app. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure. Start by signing into your Supabase dashboard and heading to your organization's projects page. Open the project you want to use for OTP login. Inside the project, look to the left sidebar and open Authentication. This is where all of your sign-in rules and providers live. Next, switch to the Sign In and Providers section. Here, make sure Allow New Users to Sign Up is enabled. This lets first-time users create an account the moment they successfully complete the OTP flow. If this is off, only existing users can sign in, which is great for closed betas, but it will block new signups. Right below, turn off Confirm Email. For OTP-based email sign-in, the passcode itself serves as the verification step. Keeping Confirm Email on would add an extra confirmation loop that isn't necessary and can confuse users. Disabling it streamlines the experience without compromising the intent of OTP. Now move to the Auth Providers area and choose Email. Enable the email provider if it isn't already. This is the engine that sends the one-time codes to your users. While you're here, set the email OTP expiration. This defines how long a code remains valid. Shorter windows improve security, while slightly longer ones reduce user friction, especially on slower connections. Pick a value that fits your app's risk profile and audience. Many teams find a few minutes to be a good balance. Once those options are set, scroll down and click Save. This is easy to miss, and none of your changes will apply until you save them. A few quick tips to help you succeed. Make sure your project can send emails reliably. If you're using a custom email provider, verify your SMTP or service configuration in Supabase settings so OTP messages arrive promptly. Keep your OTP expiration and sign-in rules aligned with your app's security needs. If you expect high-risk use cases, choose a tighter window. And document your flow so support and QA teams know exactly what to expect. With Supabase configured, you can now trigger the email OTP flow from Flutterflow using your Supabase integration and an email input. When a user requests a code and enters it, Supabase will create or sign them in based on your settings. That's it. Your OTP login is ready to go.